Hello friends, today I will discuss a very simple method of finding square root of a perfect square number. First, we have to know that 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25, 6 square equal to 36, 7 square equal to 49, 8 square equal to 64, 9 square equal to 81 and 10 square equal to 100. Knowing the first 10 perfect square number will allow us to calculate the square of a lot of perfect squares. Alright, a few things you should notice from the list of the perfect square before we begin. All perfect squares can end in the number 0, 1, 4, 6 and 9. That means if the perfect square ends in the number 1, then the last digit of the square root will be either 1 or 9. Similarly, if the perfect square ends in the number 4, then the last digit of the square root will be 2 or 8. And the perfect square ends in the number 5, then the last digit of the square root is 5. Similarly, when 6, then the last digit of the square root is 4 or 6, and when 9, then the last digit of the square root is 3 or 7. This simple thing we have to remember, that is when 1 and 9, when 4, 2 and 8, when 5, only 5, when 6, then 4 and 6, when 9, then 3 and 7, and when 0, then obviously 0. We have to remember this thing. Now come to an example. Find the square root of 729. First thing we need to do is look at the pair of number taking from the right. The last digit of this, in this case, is 9. We have noticed that to get the last digit to be 9, the number square has to end in either 3 or 7. So 3 and 7 are the possibilities for the last digit of our answer. In order to get the first digit of our answer, we have looked at the rest of the number. In this case, the number is 7. What we want to do is find out between what pair of perfect square this number falls. Now we find that 7 lies between 2 square, that is 4, and 3 square, that is 9. And we take the lesser one, that is 2 square, and this 2. So in this place we put 2. Now to find out which number will be in the first place, 3 or 7, we take this number and multiply with the next number. That means we take 2 and multiply with the next number, that is 3, and we find it is 6. And this 7 is greater than this number, so we choose the larger one, that is 7. Then the square root of this number is 27. Again, for choosing which number we write in this place, 3 or 7, we multiply this number with the next digit, that is 2 into 3, and we get 6, and 7, this number is greater than 6, so we choose the larger number, and for this the root is 27. Conversely, if this number is smaller than this number, then we take the smaller one, but in this case this number is greater, so we choose the greater one. Let's do another example just to make sure you understand the step. Find the square root of 11025. Similarly, we take the last two digits, and the last digit of this is 5. We notice that for 5, the square root, last digit of the square root is 5, and for this place we observe this number and find out this number lies between 10 square, that is 100, and 11 square, that is 121, and we take lesser one, that is 10. So in this place we can write 10, and the square root of this number is 105. Now take another example. Find the square root of 8836. Similarly, we take last two digits from the right hand side, and the last digit of this is 6, and we have noticed that the square root, if this digit is 6, the square root either 4 or 6. To find out this place, we take this number 88 and find out 88 lies between the pair of square numbers 9 square, that is 81, and 10 square, that is 100. These two numbers are consecutive, and we take the lesser one, that is 9. Now to find out in this place which number we can write 4 or 6, we multiply 9 with the next number 10 and we find 90. Since 88 is less than 90, so we take the lesser number. Since 88 is less than 90, we take lesser number. So the square root of 8836 is 94. You take any number and practice yourself.